and welcome to What's New with Cisco U, the monthly series where we tell you the learning and cert stuff you should know. And this month we are talking about networking for AI, one of the most in-demand topics in tech. Learn how to build the infrastructure that powers AI workloads with training from Cisco U. AI workloads demand real-time responsiveness and reliable data transmission, making networks matter now more than ever. Check out the following learning paths, courses, and tutorials to help you build infrastructure for AI at scale. Some learning paths to help you lay the foundation for AI-ready networks are implementing Cisco application-centric infrastructure, Cisco AI Technical Practitioner, Cisco Silicon One for AI networking. Check out some of these free tutorials in order to lay the foundation for your AI skills. Run your own LLM locally for free and with ease. Automate AI deployments with GitHub, Actions, and OpenShift. And template configurations with Cisco Nexus Dashboard, Fabric controllers. If you haven't created a Cisco U free account already, it is so easy to sign up. Just head over to u.cisco.com and use your Cisco login credentials to create an account today.
If you're on your journey to earning your CCIE or CCDE certification, you already know that the lab exam is no joke. It's one of the most rigorous, demanding, and respected certifications in the entire IT industry. But here's the big question: how do you really know if you're ready? That's exactly where Cisco Graded Labs come in. And today, we're breaking down everything you need to know. So, what exactly are Graded Labs? Graded Labs are 8-hour, hands-on lab environments specifically designed to help you prepare for the CCIE and CCDE lab exams. And these aren't just any practice labs. These environments closely mirror real exam scenarios and follow the same modular format that you'll face on the actual exam day. Here's what makes Graded Labs stand out. Realistic exam scenarios. You'll work in a hands-on 8-hour environment built to simulate the real expert lab exam experience. No surprises, no guesswork. Immediate feedback. The moment you finish, you get a comprehensive score report with clear, detailed insights into your performance. No waiting around, no anxiety. Just instant, actionable results. That immediate feedback is a game changer when you're trying to identify your weak spots and level up your skills fast. Now let's talk about how it actually works, because it's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Purchase your graded lab directly through Cisco U. Once you complete your purchase, you'll receive a confirmation along with instructions on how to access and launch your session. Step 2. Just like the real expert lab exam, each graded lab module includes a single attempt. That means it cannot be paused or relaunched, so treat it like the real thing. Step 3. You have the options to extend each module's time limit if needed, and the moment you finish, that detailed score report is waiting for you. Still on the fence? Let me give you 5 solid reasons why scheduling a graded lab is one of the smartest moves you can make on your certification journey. 1. Experience realistic 8-hour exam scenarios in a modular lab environment, just like the real thing. 2. Get immediate detailed feedback and a comprehensive score report the moment you're done. 3. You have a full 90 days from your purchase date to launch and complete each lab module session, giving you the flexibility to prepare on your schedule. 4. You can use Cisco Learning Credits or CLCs to pay for your graded lab. So if you already have credits, put them to work. 5. Most importantly, confirm your skills and readiness for expert level certification. Walk into exam day with confidence, not just hope. At the end of the day, graded labs are about one thing: making sure you're truly ready. They give you the experience, the feedback, and the confidence to walk into your CCIE or CCDE lab exam and perform at your best. So if you're serious about earning your expert level certification, don't leave your preparation to chance. Head over to Cisco U today, schedule your graded lab, and take that next step towards becoming a Cisco certified expert. Currently, graded labs are available for the Enterprise Infra track, but stay tuned for other tracks.
Are you ready to design secure networks? and elevate your security expertise? Well, we have big news. We're launching an exclusive promotion for the Designing Cisco Security Infrastructure SDSI certification. This bundle offers the learning path at 50% off and includes an exam voucher with the crucial Cisco exam safeguard offer, which is where you get a second attempt if you fail your first. This is available exclusively on the Cisco U store, so head over to the link in the description of this video to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you never miss an upload. I hope you are having a good day wherever you are around the world, and happy learning.